See that red stuff right in there? I don't really see it too much anymore.
This?
Yeah, mushy stuff on the heart.
This?
That stuff, yep.
Okay, this is the thymus gland.
And it goes all the way up into the throat.
Goes through here.
Yeah, depending how old the cat is, but it'll go all the way up. Some of the times it'll be up in here.
Okay. Get that?
That's
Get that.
thymus
Thymus gland. Here. Okay, let me start off here. This. Can I have marking paper?
Would that be the testes?
Okay.
Nope.
This is the urinary bladder.
That's urinary bladder.
Urinary bladder. Descending colon. Is this thing right here?
Yep.
Let's see, someone's going to urinary bladder. Stomach is under. Okay, right here. This big thing. This is the stomach. And what else? Pancreas. Okay. It's this stuff right here. It goes all the way to here.
Recording?
That was the pancreas. Okay, can you turn the paper over? This is the spleen.
That is one big spleen.
Yeah,
Wow.
it goes all the way here.
Holy moly.
The biggest spleen.
It's the world's biggest spleen. Yeah, no doubt about it.
We don't need to know this, right?
It's fat, right?
Greater omentum.
Okay. Yeah. Small intestine. Is it this?
Uh-huh.
All the way to where this is, right? This is where they're connecting. Small intestine and large intestines are right here.
This is
No?
all small. This is large, starting right here.
This is okay.
And it goes sideways and then
Alright.
down and out.
What's
Okay.
the name of that junction right there?
Where?
Okay, the name of that junction,
This?
this right here, I forgot.
Neotium?
No, cecum.
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 The ileocecal valve.
But we don't need to know that,
Okay.
right?
I don't know.
It's not in here.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
But that's where the small intestine and large intestine
Yep.
connects. Okay, so this was the small intestine and all this stuff right here. This is the large intestine. Okay, this is the medial livers and the lateral livers. Okay, so left medial lobe liver, left lateral lobe liver, right medial lobe liver,
That's
right lateral lobe liver.
Okay.
This is the gallbladder. It's all over here.
Giant gallbladder. Giant gallbladder, giant spleen.
This light gray.
Wow, that is huge. Mine's like a dot.
Okay. And then what else
like
do we
an
have?
hour looking for mine.
Oh, the transverse colon.
It's down there.
What was that?
See right here?
Which one?
Nope. Right there.
This?
Right there. There you go.
Really?
It's going sideways, right?
But okay, so this is the large intestine,
Uh-huh.
and
And the large intestine is made up of the transverse colon, the descending colon.
it's right here.
Uh-huh.
Transverse colon right here. Large intestine. Okay, can you flip it over? No, the other way. Yeah, okay. Okay, the heart. This big thing right here. It's the heart. Pericardial fat is the fat on the heart,
Yep.
right? This yellow stuff. We got the gallbladder right here. We got the spleen.
Would
We
that
got
be
the
the
livers, the
got the lungs?
diaphragm.
would that be the anterior, posterior, middle?
Uh-huh.
Right?
Anterior,
Middle, then
Middle.
posterior.
posterior. Did you get it?
These are lungs,
Do you wanna-
Yep.
Anterior, posterior, those are all lungs.
Anterior,
Middle.
middle, posterior. And this is the right.
That's the right.
And the left one should be here.
So everything's
Okay.
opposite, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Not opposite. Well, if you
It's
put
like
yourself
for
like
the
as the
cat.
cat,
So the cat's right.
right,
Okay.
left.
So when you're looking
Okay.
at him on his back, it looks
Mirror
opposite.
image.
And we found the thymus gland, right?
Yep.
What was that?
Forgot where it was already?
Yeah.
Robert, where's the
Thymus
thymus
gland's
gland?
right there, right?
Thymus gland.
Okay, very good.
Where?
The
Oh, it was the red
Red
stuff.
stuff, yep.
Red stuff. Okay, thymus gland.
That's planned. This is right here.
And the diaphragm.
diaphragm just, it's like, we cut it. You know when you open it?
Yeah,
Oh
the
yeah,
back
it was right here. It was the
It's like the
thing that
hubble.
separated.
Above the liver.
One more.
Above, yeah.
It's right here. It's this thing right here.
That thing looks so cool. I opened them up, I was like, wow.
Diaphragm.
Yeah.
Right?
Yep.
It's like kind of like a wall between.
That's what they make
Okay.
skirt steak out of, I think. It's diaphragm meat.
Really?
Yeah, I think so.
Yummy.
Wow.
There's some kind of steak they use in Mexican food that's made out of
Diaphragm?
Yeah.
Okay, it's
Why
pretty
not?
much
Why not?
Just like chicken.
it. No.
It's survival food.
No, salivary glands.
Salivary.
Yeah, can you just flip it over? I mean, this way.
This way.
That way. No. Change the page. This way. Okay. So this is the parotid gland.
Uh-huh.
Am I saying it right?
Yep.
Parotid.
Parotid.
Submaxillary. I'm not sure if you can see it. It's this white thing right here inside. Submaxillary gland, and the sublingual gland is right here.
Right.
So 1, 2, 3.
Right.
Yep. They don't show up really good on this cat like some cats.
It's this white thing,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
Submaxillaries.
That's
It doesn't have zoom, I don't know why.
Oh, it's just manual zoom, huh?
Yeah, it's all manual. I was like, what good is a camera without zoom?
so what if you need to
Pretty
zoom
much
at
it, guys.
a person?
It does for
about
pictures,
the
it
male
just
parts?
doesn't for recording.
Male part.
Did you do the male parts yet?
The testes and all that?
Yeah.
Yeah. Last page.
Keep going. Last page.
I have a good
Right
idea
there,
of
right there, right there, right there. So it's everything except for these.
kitty.
Kidney.
And those aren't all male parts, but urogenital system.
What if your cat is not male?
They're all male. Yeah, that was a shock.
Did you guys skin his balls? So you did, huh?
Circumcised.
Look at that.
Jeez,
It's
horrible.
It's horrid.
Kidney. Watch out.
Kidneys.
So, looking for the kidney.
That's it.
Whoa, what is this?
That's the kidney.
Kidney.
This is the kidney?
That's what I said. I was
Okay.
like,
Tumor.
Okay, this is the kidney. What else?
Looks like
Ureter?
a snail, kinda.
So ureter is a
Ureter.
tube going from the kidney to the bladder.
Kidney to the
Yeah,
bladder.
so you can kind of see right there. Yeah, you'll have to excavate it next time probably.
This?
Yep. Right in there. You should find a tube down in there.
what tube is that?
The ureter.
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 Yeah.
And all that fat.
Is it a ureter or a bladder?
Okay, is this
This is
the tube you're talking about, the white
Yeah,
one?
white one.
Right here?
Yep.
Oh, I cut that on mine.
Okay.
I was trying to do that when I was doing the veins. I just kind of cleaned everything up.
Very little. Okay, so kidney, the ureter right here. This white tube connecting to the urinary bladder. We have the urinary bladder. Ductus deferens. Ductus deferens. Where is that?
See if you guys have one. Yeah, right there. Is his little deal right here?
Well,
Hello.
okay.
Where's that?
That's the
Right there.
ductus.
Ductus deferens.
Oh,
Ductus
wow.
deferens.
Okay, see that little thing you're holding?
Yeah, so it comes up from here through here up there through
Is
the
it
inguinal canal.
That,
right here.
that brown thing.
This
right
white
there.
one.
The white one.
Oh, okay.
It's like a tiny
And there's
little
one to be one over here too.
ductus deferens. Okay. Internal
It goes to the
spermatic
testes or
vessels.
something, or-
It goes, yeah, from the testes it goes up this way and makes a U-turn and comes down into the urethra and then out the penis.
Oh, okay. Wow. Complicating.
Yep. Yeah, because the testes start out up here and then they descend.
Oh, okay. And it's just going back up to its old little path
Yep.
where it started.
You don't get one of the vasectomy.
Cut this. Okay, there we go. That's it, right?
That's it right there. Yep.
See it better.
Yeah, the white thing right there?
Yeah, this thing, right?
Oh, okay, cool. What is that, the ductor?
Ductus deferens, okay.
Ductus.
The internal spermatic vessels.
So you should see a little, yeah, right here.
This is it, right?
Yeah. And they go down,
They go
hooked in
down.
with that, and they go down through the spermatic cord down that way
Okay.
to the testes.
So this
Spermatic cord.
is the internal spermatic vessels. Urethra. Where's the urethra?
The urethra, I don't think you have, don't have a penis anymore, right?
So that's
The urethra goes from the bladder out the penis.
Okay.
so is that cross?
Inguinal canal.
That's where the spermatic, the vas deferens comes through the body wall.
Mhm.
So, let's see. You can borrow your probe here for a second. So right down in here, there's a little tunnel. It comes out right here. So it's just a hole right in the body wall right there.
And that's the inguinal canal.
Yep. Here's your tool again.
Okay. Spermatic cord.
And that's what part I think is missing. That's where the blood vessels and the vas deferens come together out here and go in a little tube down to the testes.
Okay.
Wow. I want to study this section of the cat a lot.
Is this
That's fat.
this is just that? Okay. Testes.
No testes.
Oh, he's got testes.
Really?
Testes.
Right here.
Oh yeah.
Skinned him.
Head.
That's what I meant.
Epididymis.
You'll have to cut through the scrotum to find the head. Oh well.
Head of epididymis.
There. It's still got some of the scrotum there. So this is the spermatic cord coming down here, and there'll be like a little accessory thing on the testy itself. That's the epididymis. It's like
Okay.
the vas deferens will coiled up around it.
And then the tail of the epididymis.
That's the bottom side, top side and bottom side.
Okay. Scrotum.
Scrotum is gone,
Okay.
pretty much.
And that's pretty much it.
Yep. That's it.
That's it.